Virginia here with Jenny Lee Gems. I wanted to show you a little trick I learned with the help of a few ladies in the art of pine needle basketry. So I am making this very large basket bottom with 4 cavities due to the walnuts that I attached. I have an idea of what I want to put in here once I know how to do it properly. But it was a little wobbly. So I just had one row that was wrapped with the brown. And then I decided to add pink to kind of solidify it a little more, make it a little stronger. But then someone on the Art of Pine Needle Basketry, a couple ladies, suggested using wire. And I happen to have this 21 gauge square wire that I use for my wire wrapping of gemstones. So I use that. But then Vicky online mentioned to try this artist wire, and so I found some at Hobby Lobby. So this is a little thicker, but she mentioned that at Joann's there's a thinner one and it's wrapped with this raffia or something similar. So this would work really well also. You could see how that could hide easily within your pine needles, and that would work to help solidify it. Those down. So it's pretty cheap. I think it was $3.29, but I'm going to look for the thinner one too in case I am making a thinner coil. So that works. Or if you have any type of wire that you used, I don't know, for floral. I think this is floral wire actually, but this is to wire wrap gemstones. So that comes in handy. And I happen to have it on hand. So you can see here how I've got this lower row. I put it in there and it really firmed it up quite a bit. And then I'm also keeping the wire going clear through this second row where I'm starting to go up a little bit. And I think that's going to help a lot. So there's just a little tip that I learned from my fellow basket makers on the Art of Pine Needle Basketry. And if you run into that problem, you might want to try that. So now it's reminding me I'm also going to work on these antlers, and I planned on coiling up and around and swirling a bit, and I believe that I will be using either this wire or something similar to help with that. So I've never made a basket with the antlers in it, and I'm looking forward to trying that. So thanks for watching. That's just another little tip and trick for you, and hopefully you'll remember it when you get stuck somewhere and you want to shore up a basket, make it a little more solid and firm. And I think that'll help you out a lot. Thanks for watching.